Hello kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. This is brown color, orange, sky blue, green, purple, yellow, violet, blue, black, light green, pink and red color. Kids, in this video we will trace capital letters A, B, C, A to H. Let's trace A. A for apple, brown color. B. B for ball, violet color. C. C for cat, red color. D. D for duck, purple color. E. E for eagle, orange color. F. F for fish, light green color. G. G for goat, pink color. H. H for horse. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.